So for those with installer accounts, there is a feature to reset everything back. So if you're not sure if someone's changed things, you just want to put it back to factory default, there is a button. So that is located at the very bottom, and it's right here. Now, before you press it, there are a few bits you need to check. So what will happen is this top section will be virtually unchanged. Everything else down below will all be put back to factory default. So if it's a hybrid system, first of all, check what the PV setting was before, so you can put it back afterwards. The battery type should stay the same, so that's not an issue. If the system had the EPS, the power backup set up, this will have been put back to disabled, which is a factory default. So if you need to reinstate it, put the system to standby, enable the power backup, and then put it back in normal, because it's got to be in standby to set it up. And then the last bit I'd like you to check is that this section here is phase 1 primary. So this is for where you've got parallelable units, which you may have without realizing it. So always check that that is put back to phase 1 primary. Other than that, everything will just be put back to 0. All the charge settings will be put back to 0. So yeah, you might have to reinstate those if they're required, but the background of the system will be back to default.